Hello viewer, we are generating the shapes here in Photoshop. Photoshop is the best for the editor to create the designs and have some visuals there. Change the pattern for it. So we are going to generate the design in pattern stem. So we'll have these shapes and designs as well. Make new designs. So create a 3D shape here. We are going to generate a donut design. So there we will wait for it. Creation of 3D. So there is the design we have generated in 3D form. Thank you for